and I'm gonna be creating a new world of survival. I know I spelled that wrong, I really don't care. Survival. What options? Okay, random seed. Should we turn it? No, I'm not. Okay, here we go. Going in. Going in. 2. Where we spawn with absolutely no trees. Okay, start off with getting some wood. Really want to know what one of these commands do. Slash summon. Entity name. I have no idea what that does, but if anyone knows what that does, please put in the comments of what it does, because I really want to know what it does, because I like those cheats. I like having worlds on my PC that I could cheat on and just explore the Minecraft world even more and get better. And also, if you guys have any videos of how to get diamonds really fast, please put it in the comments so I can watch them. Because I really wanted to do a survival series before, but I had already found diamonds, so I was like, no, there won't be a beginning to the survival series, so I didn't make one with that world. But I wanted to make one with this one. Wood, if we don't find coal, which we probably will find coal very easily. There's new biomes added. Oh, and by the way, we're playing in 1.7.2, as you can see, as the flowers. I didn't get a sword, so I can't get. Really, a pig? Really, pig? And also, guys, tell me where I should stay and live. So I really want to know where I should live, because living is everything. Where you live really counts. Oh my gosh. A couple more trees. And we'll go over there, looks promising. I'm a person that really likes to get a lot of wood. Just so I don't underdo it, because I always end up having to go get more. Whoa. F3 doesn't work. Oh, guys, tell me how to, use F3 in a Mac. So, because I really get lost easily. So please tell me how to use F3 on a Mac so I can easily get back to our house when we get one, and then we find out. Ooh, I'm going over there. I haven't seen that biome yet. I've seen one that looked like that biome. I haven't seen that one. Okay, just get this last 2 pieces of it. I really like to get 64 stacks. But guys, please comment, rate, subscribe, because it's probably going to be my first video that I upload on my new channel, because my old one isn't great. Start out with a bad start. I guess this almost does a whole stack. 2, 63. Nope. Not gonna be nice. Oh, there's a cave. And there are some weird trees. I don't know their names. Get some marble. Guys, sorry if I turn silent sometimes. Whoa. I cross my fingers that this will have something good. I can't cross this one or else I'd stop moving. Like that. Cross both fingers now. I'm gonna pass this out. Oh my gosh, we can have ourselves donkeys. Huh? Oh, wait. Guys, tell me if you want to live in this house. It looks pretty cool. Oh, start out with an iron pick. Nice way to start out. But it didn't have very good stuff. Let's get this furnace. What are the noises? Lag. This is going to be where we're living for the first episode. And I'm going to make a mine. Go mining. And also, probably by the time this video gets uploaded, maybe I'll be on a plant cave. I'll be on a... You're in a cave, seriously? Are you kidding me? I'll be on a plane heading to... slash give torch. Oh, what's a torch? Slash give... Whoa. Nope. It's a monster spawner. I'm gonna throw that away. Forget what item is the torch. Shall we look it up? Or shall we just keep playing? I think we shall keep playing. I'm sorry if you're not... Really, they're all in here. I can't even... Wait. some iron. Okay, can't get out. Oh. Oh my gosh. I don't want you, monster spawner. Go. Bye-bye. I was gonna say, what the heck? What was the first thing? Okay, let's get some food. No. Tell me if we should live in the village or somewhere else. Because if we are, then I'm probably gonna replant this. If they plant, then I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You need to get in your house, little guy? You wanna go in there? My gosh, there's a villager stuck in there. What do you know? How nice. I don't even know how long the video's been recording. Get some nice stuff. You get some stuff from the village. This village is picking up a nice appetite for potatoes. Oh, well, I think we'll go by nighttime. I think we'll go by what time it is for the video. But since you think there's some torches there, I should go mining now. Let us collect just the last of this while I talk. So guys, yes, please comment, rate, subscribe to my first video. So I've not gotten the intro yet. Yet it's not my first video that I've ever recorded. But it's the first one gonna be uploaded on this channel. My channel, this channel, whatever. There's stuff in wells. Someone said there was. I don't believe it. I mean, I don't believe it. Oh my gosh, how dark can it be? Oh. Bookcases. Live in here. Could live in here. Wow, that's a fail of a torch. Man, these dudes are so much potatoes. Oh, wow. That's a lot of potatoes. Potato, potato. Potato, 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 potato. Lettuce. Get into our house. More pellets. What do you have? 8. You want 8 emeralds for that? You serious, man? Oh, 16 chickens for me. Might do that. I don't know where we should put our bed, but bye, guys.